Hello students, good afternoon. I hope all of you are fine. Today we will see our unit 4 and unit 5. Okay, so unit 4 is about digital storytelling. See, if you are in a class, you are what you will do? You will speak and you will tell the story. But here you just need to show with presentation. Okay, so let me zoom this part of the book. Okay, as PDF is not available, I have taken the photos. Okay, you see what are the learning on. So what we will learn here, how we can transfer multimedia files from external device such as mobile phone, digicam to computer, important multimedia files into presentation, how we are importing, okay, how we can create a word, different slides. Okay, so here in our story, see, Tejas and Jyoti are asked to present on a topic of their choice. Suppose in our class we are asking, okay, so here Moj, why not create a digital story? So Tejas replies, what it is? Then Moj says, digital story is a short first person video narrative. Okay, it is created by combining recorded voice, still and moving image and music or other sound. This is very important point. What is the digital story? So a digital story is a short first person video narrative. It is created by combining recorded voice, still and moving images and music or other sound. Okay, with the help of that we can create it. Okay, so and what is the use of it? Why we are creating a digital storytelling? So use is it can be used to document life experiments, ideas, or feeling through the use of story in digital media. Okay, so let me show you here. You can see here. Yeah, this is very important point. Okay, you need to remember. A digital story is a short first person video narrative. What is a digital story? So definition is this one. What is the use of it? You can write this thing. Okay. So this is a very important point. That sounds interesting. Jyoti and Tejas says. So let's go for to make a digital story. Okay. Yeah. So here what they Jyoti and Tejas start discussing what story they want to tell. They decided to make a presentation on their visit to the bird sanctuary. Okay. So they are visiting a bird sanctuary. So there they are planning to on that to prepare a presentation. Okay. So how they are making? Let's see. So they have learned about this in last year. Okay. So let's see further. Yes. First thing, what we need to do to create a presentation. You should remember the first thing. Decide an outline for a presentation. So let me show you here. Let me create one presentation file newly. Okay. Suppose I am giving a chapter 4 title. So let me open it for you. See, this is a PowerPoint where you can create a presentation. Yeah. See here you can write a title that is our storytelling. Storytelling. Okay, this box I don't want, so I am deleting it. I am here adding a new slide. So here also if you want to write down anything, you can write it down. Okay. Then let's see what is there. Gather information on the given topic, choose appropriate title. See here I am showing in a general way. I am just wrote a storytelling as a title. Whatever the topic you are selecting, you need to select that and give some information. You need to write down some information here. Then what we will do? And go through information and collect all the group information and list main point you want to present. For each main point, list the subpoints. Okay. Suppose I am writing some main point like here. First, I will write a storytelling. Okay, I am writing a storytelling. Now I have to create a sub point of it. Sub point like a image is required. Then audio. Okay, this way you need see this is a main point. After this is a sub point. After that you need to suppose you need to write down here you need to write down about next part, that is a PowerPoint. Okay, PowerPoint. Suppose I wrote here. Okay, after that if I want to do so this way I can create the subpoint. So make this way firstly. After that create the slides. So this way we can create the slide. Open a presentation application, create new presentation, and title of the outline become a title of the presentation. See, outline you need to create in your notebook, but here I have directly show you. Okay, then write down all the information, text, an image and graph and table, and then we will share visualize effect. We will give some effect on that. Okay, check the following order of slide as logical flow. Okay, first subpoint are correctly placed. Information is accurate, adequate, and follow the aware rule. Spelling and grammar are correct. So these are the essential things which we need to check. Okay, and it should be in a proper form, not it's like randomly. Okay, student. Yeah, then we will add visual effect by ensuring the font type and size are easy to read and alignment of is uniformity, right? Use of color to highlight important points, like here I want to highlight this point, so I will give different color of this text. Suppose I wrote a yellow color and this one I want in a different color. So here I will select from here a text size is different. And suppose you want to give one box here. So here if you want to give some box, so here shape fill is there. From shape fill you can select some color that will be taking for all of. Okay. So here also you can give some text color. You see this will take outline colors, this one will take there. Okay, so here you can give text color. Suppose you have wrote a separately here, separately if you are making here story telling. Okay, so if you want to color it, then you can do this one and you can make color of here like this. Okay, from here you will take a box color. This one will take your border color. This you see the box border, right? So it is showing the box border. You see now it is a black. Text color will be from here. Box color will be for shape from shape fill, and outline color will be from shape outline. Okay. So this way you can make and edit. Okay, and also if you want to change the font type and size and uniformity, color, highlighting, all the things we can do. Okay, and then add animation and slide transition effect wherever appropriate. Okay, we need to work on the first stage for creating our presentation so that we have the outline ready. This means we need to collect all information including picture or presentation, that I already told you. All the information you need to select, then only you can go further. Okay, okay, so let's move further. I think this is the other slide I came out with that. Yeah, okay. Forget about this thing. Okay, I might have missed one or two slides. Yeah, I have missed one or two slides. So here, what is this? See here, I have missed one, two slides here. Okay, so don't bother about that. You can read from the books. So let me show you what it is in that slide. So what you need to do, that you need to add a photo. suppose you need to add a photo or video. What you will do? You will go in insert. Once you will go in insert tab, you see you have option pictures, photo album you can add. Correct, here you can add audio. Correct, here you can add video on my PC, online video you can add, or audio on my PC, recorded audio. You can record currently audio or screen recording also you can add. Correct. So all of those things you see screen recording started. See, if I will take this snap, then it will record. Right. So this way we can do. Suppose I am inserting one picture. Okay. From this device I am selecting currently. So go in a pictures, then select this device, and suppose this is on our what I can show you. Yeah. Now give me yeah, here you see, suppose our textbook image only I want to import, then I will give an insert. Now you see it will come. Yeah, you see it came. Yes. So that way you can bring that thing. So different source of images and sound files. What are the different source of images and sound files? So pictures drawn using paint application, right? So in a paint application you might have drawn the pictures. Might have done photographs already stored in your computer. Photograph clicked by web camera, file transfer from a digital camera to a computer, image from internet, right? We can get internet image also. That is also possible one. Correct. So wherever it is you can get image, that is our source for the image, right? That will be our source for the image. Yeah, sorry for this. Yeah. Okay, so let's do further. Okay, so you know the source of this, what we can say that uh, how you can get images, right? Here you see I have shown you an insert picture. You see online pictures also are available, right? If you want to take a screenshot of your screen, you can take that as screenshot also. That also you can put here. You have an album, so you can take a new album photo. You can add a shape if you want to, like suppose I want to add a shape of rectangle, like you see I have added that. So whichever way is possible, you can do that thing. Okay, so kindly read the book. So in that it is shown that what are the source of image and sound files. So picture drawing using paint application, photograph already stored in computer that I have shown you here. Photograph click by webcam, scan picture, file transfer from digital camera and computer, image from internet. So from those you can get the images. Okay, to transfer image from digital camera on mobile, connect the device to the computer. It is in most cases an application called Wizard pops up. This wizard gives various options that take you through the process of transferring the file, right? You might have transferred with connecting your mobile with a cable, and you can transfer the images. That is also possible. Similarly, from where you can get sounds. So first, recording using a cam recorder or digicam. From there you can get a sound, or recording microphone connected to the computer. From there also you can get a sound, or music file you have already, or sound file from the internet. Suppose I want to add a music file, audio on my PC. Okay, I think I don't have audio right now. So okay, no problem. We will take some music audio. Songs are there or not? I don't know. Okay, so yeah, here. Okay, suppose I am taking on any Hindi songs. Okay, suppose I have taken this one, Hindi songs. So for this slide it will play. You see here to here. Suppose yeah, see. So when we play this slide it will play. No style play in a background. So whichever you prefer, that way it will work. Okay student. So here you can adjust the volume, right? across this slide. If you want to play it across this slide, it will play. And suppose you want to trim audio, so here audio trim is given. How long you suppose I want only for this much only audio, suppose this only required, so I will give this much only, so it will play that much only, you see, right? So this logo is there, which will may show that this is happening. Okay, so that way you can, from the insert you can add audio also, and sound file from internet. From internet also you can get, or you can record also. From here record I have shown, right? So let's go further. So from here, see, similar can be, here it is shown how we can get a sound. In a previous slide which I have not captured properly, so it is not there, so you can find in a book. In that image, about image it is shown. Okay. So after that what we need to do? We need to check whether our slides are okay or not. Okay. What we need to do? We need to check. Let us the slide. So now we will check. You see how here is a snapshot of digital story prepared by Tejas and Jyoti. Here this is the image. Okay. And how you can see this? So in the slides or slideshow you can go. Yeah, let me go for it. A view. Here view option. In that view you can give slide sorter. So you can get how many slides I have created. Suppose I have created one or two more slides, I can see here also. Okay, from slide sorter you can see that files. You can see here slide sorter is used. I am not sure you can see in image here slides sorter is given. So I have shown you here, this is in a view, there is a slide sorter, you can get this idea. Okay, outline view also you can select, so you will get this kind of outline also. And here slide sorter or normal view will go, it will be this way. Okay, so what point you need to remember here? So here if you want to remember, you can see this one. The slide sorter view allows us to see all slides at one glance, right? In a one shot, you can able to see all the slides, right? So slide sorter helps with that. Okay, student. And if you want to see further, you could use slide notes to keep track what you are going to do for each slide. What you can do? How slide notes help there? You could use slide notes to keep track what you are going to do. Okay, there are some notes here. You see, notes can be written along with slides. This can be two types. Notes are or pointed to yourself while you give your presentation. Notes that are intended for audience. This can be printed and handed out during your presentation, right? So during presentation also you can show that points. Likewise, I have shown it. In the note page view, you can view the slide along with the notes. Okay. Let me show you further how it is we are talking about. Yes, here also I might have forgotten one slide, so no worries. After this, what you can do, see here you can give some comment. If you want to share with your, suppose one or other member, you can give a note here. Hi, this is a presentation about the PPTX, like that way. I just made one sentence. You want to share this, so you can add this in a slide. Okay, it is not if you don't want to share your notes, then you should not write. But if you want to share, you can write here. Okay. So you see this here, and here is our main slide. Okay, this way you can see. And why, if suppose I want to print this page, all the page, what you can do? File, Once you click the file, you see there are multiple options are there, correct? You see there are multiple options are there. So here print option is given. You see print. If you click on a print, you will get here option for printing, or whatever device from there you want to print, you can select. Here you can change the slide or how you want to change the settings, you can do that thing. Okay, this is the one thing, and finally you just need to give print here. Okay, and suppose I don't want to go for this process. Oh, what you can do for printing? For print, what we can do? Control plus P. If you press Control plus P, you can get a print. Suppose, see, I am pressing Control and P. You see, directly I went to that print page. Second option is shortcut, this one. Okay. So common file format. Select common file format for audio, video, and images. So what are the common type you can select? Audio.mp3 file, video.avi file, images.jpg. Okay. So what are the steps to create a digital story? You might have a doubt. So these are the steps to create a digital story. So let's read it. What is the stage 1? Create an outline of the presentation. First we will create an outline. Collect a picture and sound file to be included in the story. We will collect the pictures and outline. Okay. Then populate collected content into the slide. Then we will arrange all the things. Then we will import and arrange pictures and edit it. Add the titles to them. Okay. Then we will import the sound files and presentation. Then stage 3, add custom animation to make the presentation more impressive. We will add our appropriate animation, like we will highlight the text, or we will give some background music. Also we can change the text styles, all other things we can do, correct? So that things we will do, and after that we will save the story, give mock presentation, then we will give the presentation. Okay, so that way you can do. Here you see slideshow is given. Okay, set up a slideshow. Here you can set a setting, or if you want to view animation, so here animation is given. Suppose for this image I am taking animation. Okay, what kind of appearance I want to show, like this way. Okay, one click, or with here time duration I can set, suppose a delay in 5 seconds, or move earlier, move later, whatever the settings you want to do. See, animation pan is there. So from here you see, if you want to see preview, you can see here. First some sound will come and then it will play. You see it came? Yes. So this way you can do the animation or editing, okay, whatever you want to do. And finally you can save this file and save. Control S, that also you can do, and you can give a title for this, and this way you can create the, what you can create? You can create the digital storytelling. Okay. So here in worksheet you see question 1. What is given? That some step in the 3 stage of making presentation are given below in a jumbled order. So here some steps are given. Check for spelling, grammar, create a new slide for each main point, or outline for each main point in list subpoint. Gather information on given topic and choose appropriate title for the presentation. Check if information is accurate, adequate, and follow our rules. Group related information, list the main point you want to present. Save the presentation file created by giving suitable file name. So these all are the options you can find in our first page itself, right? So see here, see, these are the things: plan, execute, impress. What are the things you need to follow? That is given in a jumbled order. So try to do this exercise by giving correct order. Okay. So here you see, after that notes page, and give scenario, identify our rules is applicable or not. So if you have studied our unit 1, further before chapters, you can give this answer also. Our rule is applicable and whether the rule is followed or violated. Okay, Rahul is making presentation on UFO, reality or fantasy. He searched the internet and found an interesting article on it. He read it and wrote summary of it in his presentation. So UFO, reality or fantasy. So that is not a like a copyright issue. So this what he can do. Sorry here. Yeah, let me mark it down for you. Let me zoom it first. Okay. So what we just need to check whether it is a used properly aware or not, right? So here our rule is not applicable, right? A poster on topic healthy use of computer is to be made. Ria found some nice photos and websites. She used them in her poster. So this also fine. Emiya and his friends are making digital story and setting up botanical garden in school. For this, they went to field trip, took photo and used them in a story. So here you need to identify which our rule you have followed here. Okay, so all three are followed by our rule only. Okay, but which one our rule is followed? That you need to identify. So in unit 1 probably you might have seen about the our rules, right? I hope so you have read the our rules for this. If you haven't read it, kindly go in a chapter 1 and read it. Okay, it is very important. Computer must be so we will responsible use of source of our and internet, right? So that awareness should be there. You should not be like doing randomly. Understood? Yeah. So kindly go through the previous units and find out the our rules. Okay, it is very important our rules. So you do that thing. Then let's see further. See, these are the slides are given. Not page. So what is the use of not page? To view main point and sub point in presentation. Slide sorter. Handouts. So these are the points we have seen while discussing. Correct? See, not page view and slide sorter. I have already explained you what is the purpose of that. Slide sorter allows us to see all the slide at one glance, right? To view and point more than one slide on one page. So notes, Magic Warriors. So here if you want to select the answer, what can be the answer? For not slide sorter view. Slide sorter view is this one. Correct? To view all the slide at one glance. Then slide notes to keep track of what you are going to do for each slide, right? So note page is what is it? To view and print more than one slide in one page. That is not that one. To view to main point and sub point in a presentation. That is also not the correct one. So this to view notes or pointer while presenting, right? Notes page. That is the correct one. You can view a slide along the notes. Handouts means or outline. Handouts means to view and print more than one slide on a one page. An outline is to view the main point and sub point in a presentation. So this way you can give the answer. Okay, student. After that, if you see exercise 4, that what is the source of a image? I already told you. A picture drawn using by M point or a scan photograph or digital camera. B is not there because video from that side. Video we are it is a separate point. You can get a sound from there. Okay. So A, C, and D will be the correct one. Okay. Here change in matter is class. Rahul is preparing to talk on a change in matter class. So there are some order is given. Okay. What I can say, you see some points are given. We just need to rearrange it. Okay. So that you need to do. You just read the chapter. You can identify what are the things you need to do. Okay. Okay. So shall we go for the next chapter? Yes, we can go. That is a word processor designing card and newsletter. Okay. So here what you need to do, that, let me create one file. Let me create one Word file for you. This is our chapter number 5. So here I have created the Word file. Okay. So let me load it. It is getting load. So what is we can change, what we can do in that, we can create a card, we can create a page like a news, correct? So that all the different things we can do in this file. Okay. Let's see, my birthday is coming up. I want to invite all friends to the party. So what you can do, you have to create the invitation card, correct? So how you can do? Done typing and content of invitation ready. Now we have to format it. Okay. What you need to do, you just need to type down all the things and you need to prepare for that. Okay. So that is a practical thing which you can do at your home. Okay, you see here. One point is there, before formatting, make sure that there aren't any spelling mistake, right? We should be careful that there should be no any spelling mistake. If you want to check whether your spelling are correct or not, so how you can do? Suppose this is chapter 5. Okay, text size is small, let me enlarge it. This is chapter 5. Now I want to check the spellings. So what I will do? I will go in a tools, or what we can say, review. So here you show in a review, check except treasure is a spelling and grammar, you can check here. Spelling and grammar check is complete. Right, in a treasure also you can see whether it is wrong or not. Here so many options are given. So you can identify the spelling words also, which is the correct one. Okay. And from here I think you can transfer the language also, translate the document. Okay, all the things you can do there. Now further what we can do, you see here what is given, that is to format a paragraph, go to the format tab and menu bar and select the paragraph. So here it is an old version, so here in a home itself this is the format tab. You see paragraph is written here. If you notice this point, correct? Let me mark for you that point. You see this one, paragraph is written, correct? So that is in a book, it is an old version of Microsoft Word, that is Windows 7 version probably. So this is a new Windows 10 version, so that you can see paragraph is there, right? So from there you can edit what you want to do with it, whether you want to change the text size and any things other. Suppose you want to change this text size, or you want to write it a middle, you see this one middle. If you want to write in from right hand side, you can do that. This is from center, this is from this side. If you want to make a point in the front, or if you want to make a 1 2 3, like you want to write in a sub point also, you can do that one, you see. Yeah, so this way you see, you want to maintain this paragraph content in the end, and you want to make border in outside or underline. See, all border you want to make, you can get this thing. So all the use are given here, so you can format accordingly your requirement. Okay, you see after that there is a written. Suppose I am writing the point itself here, hi there. Okay, I am just writing whatever given in a book. I am celebrating my birthday party. My birthday party. Okay, I am writing this much only, and I want to make it in a center, so I will leave this. Okay. Now what I want to do, I want to change here, it should be small, okay, mine. And what I want to do, I want to change the format of the text. What can I do? I can select here, you can see here the list of the format. You see, whatever the text style you feel like a good, you can select that one. You see, I have changed the text style. Whichever you prefer, you can, here you can change the text size. See, now it is 48. Now here it is 28, right? You see this portion, you can change the font style. Okay. From this you can change the font style and its color. From here you can change the color of the text and this box. Here text size you can change. Here text style you can change. Bold you want to make, italic you want to make, underline you want to do, or increase the text size or decrease the text size, or you want to make a first letter capital. Okay, so you want to cross these. If you want to make a suffix or power, so all these things you can use to write it down. And here if you see, this one is a paragraph. So this one I have already explained you, that how you want to make a point first, or one you want to write, or from where you want to start writing, or how much gap you want to set between two lines, right? And this is the color, or you want to make box. So all the options are given and you can edit that thing. Okay, so this way you can do. And after that what you can do, you can just import the image. What you can do, you can just import the image, like insert, that we have seen in a previous chapter, the image, this device, right? Pictures, insert pictures and this device. So I have done that part previously itself, correct? So let me go for that, desktop. Yeah, here you go. See, right? Here you can add your birthday cake. Suppose I am decreasing the size so it will fit in one slide only. You see, here you can add your birthday cake like shown in our book. Let me show you there. You see, I have wrote, right? You see here birthday cake is added. So that way you can add the birthday cake. Okay. Font work we have seen how to do font work, and create a newsletter. So what is the newsletter? Newsletter. Sorry, newsletter. My mistake. Then what is a newsletter? So what it is, that a newsletter is printed report or letter meant for specific group of people. It contains news event which is interest to group. For example, news letter are given out on a school, inform parent, teacher and student about events and things happening in a school. So here whatever is happening in a school, about that we can add in a news letter. Okay, how we have created that I have already shown you. In that manner only we are going to do that thing. Okay. Okay. So you just need to analyze the outline also. Okay. So here you see content of a newsletter. What are the contents of newsletter will be there? See, first announcement, date of exam, date of for summer, winter break, schedule for school, sport day. We will give by announcement. Okay. If article is there, then what are the contents will be there? A brief on annual day celebration experience report on inter-school education competition, or planting event report for news prize won in the regional school festival, or some different things, story, puzzles and drawing by students, right? So this way you can see all the things you can create in the newsletter. Okay, yeah. So let's see the format, then how it will be the format. If you read this talk about Jyoti, Tejas and Moz, you can get the all the answer. You will get the all the answer. Not to worry. Okay, you can get all the answer. I am just explaining here. You see here what we need to do. we need to go in a page layout and we need to see in a column. Okay, you can see here I will go in a page layout and here I need to go for the column or a position here. You see, yeah, column is a separate option itself. So yeah, here is the column. How you want to do, left, right, or more columns? There are more columns also is there. You can see here 3 left, right, and what are the text you want, the 3 column you want to create like this way. You see, it will be like this way. You see here also. Okay, I will break from here itself. Break the page, and here I will see what are my 3 columns highlight. See here I am writing. You see, I am writing randomly only. Okay. Okay, you see, hi there, right? You see, it is not getting fit, it is not writing from one line to another. You see, here it will be separate. I will finish once this part. You see, I am going. You see, you see, I again came here. I'm just putting enter, 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 enter. Okay, and I'm skipping up to last, and I will again come in the first part. There itself you can write hi there. You can see here what are things you can write in a 3 column. Correct. If you want to make a different way, you can do that part. Or if you want to add image in this column, you can add that things also. Okay, that's what it is showing here. Okay, you see here. I think one slide. Yeah, here you see. Like same picture adding also you can do that there, that I already show you how to do. So this way you can give a newsletter title first, then you can create a partition and you can write dummy text, you see. So you see here left alignment, bold, font size. So this way you can create a dummy newsletter. Okay, so that I already show you how to do that part. Okay, here you see. Also you can see in MS Word header, footer and page number you can insert. So here you see I want to add a page number or header footer. Okay, so here where we are going to do that thing, that is insert. Insert, once you go in insert, there is an option of header, footer and all the things, right? So this one is a text box, sorry. Yeah, here let me show you with this marking. You see this option header and footer. You can identify, I have highlighted header, footer, page number. So from there you can give a page number. Suppose I want to give a page number. Top of the page I am going. See, you see top page, it is written 1, 2. You can identify it. Yes, here 1 is written, here 2 is written. Correct? Or if you want to give a header or footer, that also you can give a header type here. Dummy. I am writing. So in both page automatically it will come dummy. Then I will close it. You see in a header it is dummy is coming, and after that you cannot edit. But if you want to do write this, it will not get added, right? So like that way you can create the header and footer. Header means headline in a head, and footer means in the bottom of the page. It will get right. Okay. So that way you can create the newsletter. Okay, so that only we shown here. I have shown you the practical. You see here, these are the one preparation. Try to do this thing. Try to create this newsletter. You see here in the slide, what are the things is given? How you can edit the text, how you can give a shape, how you can fill a color. I have already shown you all the things here, right? How you can add the color. You see, I want to add a red color, or I want to fill a leg like this way, yellow color. So this option shows the color changing like this way. Correct? Suppose this first we need to select what are the words you want to do. You see it got changed. And suppose I want to change this color, text color. So here A is given. So from there you can change the text color. Suppose I want to keep this one blue. You see it is getting changed. So this way in your preference you can add it. Okay, and suppose you want to insert image, I have already showed device, or you can go for online picture. So that will go you for online, or you can take a screenshot. Whatever your webcam is, suppose this is the screenshot I want, and I want to click the screenshot. You see, I am talking this screenshot. You see, it is automatically came here. You see this one, right? It came, no, that much portion I have selected. So that way there are plenty of way you can add the in image. Okay, and further what you can see that header and footer, what you want to add, birthday invitation, or you can write any by whom, right? Suppose where we are, that in insert we are there. So footer I want to add in a last line, right? So what I want to add, that jp I am writing. Okay, and I am getting close. You see, in a header I have added dummy, in footer I have added jp, right? So that way you can add all the things. Okay, I'm just showing you dumbly how to do in a practical. Okay, now let's see further what you can do here. You see all the things, footer is added, header is added, that thing we have already done. Okay, so try to do this all the things. Here in this worksheet you see Rahul is writing a report. Practically we have seen what to do. Okay, now let's see some exercise of it. You have to do, but I'm just a little bit help I'm giving to you. So what we need to do, Rahul is writing a report using a word processor and application. He wants to find an alternative word for facility. Take the utility he can use. Treasures, right? From treasures he can get synonyms of the facility, alternative words. See, spelling and grammars, it will check the whether it is a correct spelling or not. Footnotes will only give the footer note, right? That you will write. But from treasure you can get what are the words you want to use. Treasure is the means, it will show you different words for same meaning, like synonyms, or if you want to get opposite word, that also you can get from treasure. Treasure shows the all the words which is required. Okay, identify formatting option and match the following. See, this one is underline, right? Here is underline is given, right? This one is written in a bold letter, right? This one is a font with a color, so font color. This one is in italic, it will be little band, so this is italic. You see, this one is a highlighted, so this is a highlighting, right? So this way identify the formatting option and match the following. So that we have done here, right? You can note it down. You see what this is highlighted with a color, so this is highlighting. See, this one is italic crossband. I will show you here. I cannot yeah, here you see, if I want to make a italic, this one I am making italic. You see it is tilting. This one I want to make a underline, so you see this will get underline. This one I want to make a bold, so you see it is getting dark, and this one I have already highlighted, right? So that way you can give the answers. Okay, so this is a highlighted. Okay, let me change this. Yeah, this is highlighting. Okay, this is italic, this is a font color that I already showed you, this is a underline, and last one is the bold, right? So this match you can do easily, it is not at all difficult. So let's see further, that is true and false. So what you do to draw geometrical shape in your document, you need to use formatting toolbar. Geometrical shape, do you need to use formatting toolbar? I don't think so. Why? If you want to draw shape, you need to go in an insert, correct, and shapes. You see here it's an illustration. Formatting tab is this one, be bold, italic, underline, right? So that is formatting text, and this is our illustration, correct? This is our illustration, so that should be wrong, correct? So this will be uh, here, this will be false. You can check for spelling mistake in documents type in a word processor application. Right, I can check, that is true. You cannot insert any text or field in the header or footer of the document. That is false, right? We can add that thing. To highlight text in a paragraph, you can use a different font color. Yes, that is true. We can use a different color. So this first false, true, false, true. Okay. So that way you can give the answer. Now, after in the 4, what is the exercise in a 4? Following is a document describing puzzle with the title, author, and the name of the book from where it was taken. Underline the word that have been spelled incorrectly. So, this one you need to type and you need to underline which are the spelling is wrong. So, once you will type this text in a Word file, here you will type, okay, you see I am writing a wrong spelling now. See, birthday spelling I am writing as wrong. Birthday, you see it is wrong. You see automatically it is getting correct. But suppose I have wrote here, you see here red underline is coming. That means my spelling is wrong. Okay, and also you can go in our view, where we are there, spelling check, that is in design, no, layout, yeah, reference, yeah, in a review, you see birthday, spelling and grammar check, you see birthday should be this one, you see I wrote birthday, it should be H, you see I can change now, yes, you see it got changed, like that way you can do that thing. Okay, so you need to identify here. Okay, I will not help with that, you have to do that thing. And these are the answer you are making the text, what are the text sizes that you have to do this. This is like you have to do practical, then only you will get. Okay, you just need to do all the thing in your computer or whatever you have. Okay, this one is also activity is given, so all this activity creating a flow chart and all the things you need to do that part. Okay, so how to create a flow chart? So that thing I can show you here. Suppose I am going for the next page. Okay, here. So here insert. Here you see smart art is given. You see different flow charts are given to you, right? If you remember our image, let me show you. Yeah, this one. See content of newsletter. So these are is written, right? So this you can create here also. You see why this way, or relations, yeah, you can see this way. What are the way it is, you see in textbook you might have seen our food chain, it is shown in this triangle, right? Correct, see this one is a matrix, so this way you can create how heredity it is given, your father, then your father's father and all the things, family member, and you can show all the things how this process is going. Here you want to add a list, suppose what are the things can come in that place, so you can create. Suppose I am taking this one, you see it came, I can write here any text, right? And under what are the things are coming, so this kind of a flow chart you might have seen in your textbook, so that also you can create here. Okay, so that last exercise is about flowchart and all the things. So try to draw flowchart and level crossing. Here you see this one, draw a flowchart and find tallest student in a school, sorry, in a group of 5. So that work you need to do. Okay, students. Okay, I hope you understood the practical and this chapter. Kindly go through it once and understand it, how it can help you. Okay, students. Shall we end this lecture? Okay. Thank you.